Hi, welcome to the last part of this series on ratio questions, ratio and proportion from the paper one. This isn't really strictly a ratio question, but it involves a lot of the skills that we've looked at. So pause the video, read through it, and then we'll go through it. Alright, so first thing is this information up here. What we'll do is we'll model this. So we'll think about if this was all of the money that they were going to share out, then if I look at it like this, I can say, okay, this is 2,100. That means that each one of these 10 equal boxes is 210. That's the same as saying 1/10, or the same as saying 10%. So when we see this, that the 40% of the bonus is shared equally between the managers, 40%, they take away 40%. Alright, so that's the 40% that they take. That's 4 lots of 10%. So 40%. How much is that worth? It's worth 840. Most of you got that right. Then we needed to take that off from the total amount. 2,100, take away 840. If you weren't able to work this out correctly, look up column subtraction or use a number line finder method that works for you. Okay, so this gave us 1,260. That's the amount that's left after the managers have taken their 40% share. That's what this bit is worth. So we're going to share that between the 7 people that are left, the 7 salesmen. So we've got 1, 2, 60. However you want to do this, but make sure that you've got a way that works for you. So that was 180 for each of the 7 salesmen. So 180, oops, 180 pounds for each salesman. Now one of these salesmen types up, he says, if the bonus is shared equally between all 10 people, I will get 25% more money. We need to figure out, is he right? Would he really? Okay, obviously he would do better. If they shared it equally between the 10 people, we would have a different scenario here. We would have the 10 boxes and each person would get 1 box. That would be 210 each. What we need to figure out is that 25% more than 180? Well, let's work out 180 plus 25%. So a quarter of 180. Thinking about a protractor, maybe half of a protractor is 90 and a quarter of it is 45. So that's 180 plus 45 gives us 225. So that's what he would get if he got 25% more. But we know that if they actually shared equally between 10 people, they would only get 210 each. So we can show that by 2,100 divided by 10, shared equally between 10 people, is 210. So in actual fact, he would be worse off than 25%. So he is not correct. He would only make £210, whereas 25% more than his current share would be £225. That's something like that you're going to write. Right, hopefully this series has been useful for you. If you would like some practice questions or something, email me and I will get that to you. Alright, all the best, and I will be putting up some more uploads soon, so let me know if there are any topics that you particularly want me to go over. I've got some ideas of the stuff myself, so all the best with your revision, and yeah, bye.